Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to switch between 5G and 4G on your iPhone running iOS 16. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So if you don't have enough 5G mobile tower in your town or city, then your iPhone will use more battery as it will disconnect and reconnect between 5G and 4G towers which it encounters in the way. Please note, this only applies to iPhone 12 and above. To switch between 4G and 5G, go into Settings. Next, you want to tap on Mobile Data. Here, you want to tap on Mobile Data Options. On this screen, you want to tap on Voice and Data. As you can see, you've got three options. By default, it is on 5G Auto. But to switch on 5G or to switch to 4G, just select your appropriate options. So to switch to 4G, just tap on 4G. And to switch to 5G, just tap on 5G on. As it reads here down below, 5G on uses 5G whenever it is available, even when it may reduce battery life. And that is how to switch between 4G and 5G on your iPhone running iOS 16. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.